How to make a free landing page for affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can build a free landing page to get started with affiliate marketing. So let's get into it. Now to do this, I will be using system.io, and a lot of you might have heard of this. Now this tool allows you not only to be able to build your landing page, but you can also integrate some of your basic emailing functions, which I really like to do for my affiliate products. Now, to get started, first off, you have to choose your affiliate. So I currently have a bunch of affiliates from Digistore24, and this is the affiliate that I'm going to be using today. This is just one of my approved affiliates, and this is my actual affiliate link, and this is the content for my affiliate marketing product. So I'm going to start building my page with system.io. Now, to get started with system.io, you can sign up with your email address. Once you've signed up with your email address, you're going to click on funnels on your top left toolbar, and you're going to find this section to be empty for you. Now, once you do that, you're going to click on create over here, and you're going to name your sales funnels. Now, this just really doesn't matter, whatever you name it. I'm going to click on build an audience, and you're going to choose your funnel domain, which is going to be our free domain. Then I'm going to click on save over here. Now, once you've built your funnel, you're going to click on your particular funnel. Now, the first thing you're going to see in your funnel is your squeeze page, and we are going to be using this squeeze page as our affiliate landing page. So to get started, what we're going to do is that we're going to take a look at some of the templates, and you have multiple different templates available, but you want to look for a template that has, the email option. So people have, the opt-in option. So you guys can see there are a few templates available. So I'm going to use a simple one. I think I'm going to be using this one over here, and I'm going to click on select over here, which is going to be our first section, and this is going to be landing page. I'm going to just rename this, and then after that I'm going to click on edit page. Now this will open up the system.io page editor. So this is going to actually represent your landing page. So what I'm going to do is from here, you're going to start adding your own content into your affiliate page. So this is our product name. And I'm just going to copy this over here, and I'm going to paste it like so. And you're going to edit this page to fit the content or, your affiliate that you have. If you don't have a lot of content on your affiliate, you can just use, only the images that you might have. And you can start getting started with that as well. You guys can see it's currently still loading up the rest of our page. But once you have completed your settings, you're going to click on Save Changes, and I'll go into depth later on how you can customize your page. But once you actually do build the rest of your page, which I'll show you guys at the end of this video, how we can actually configure our page, you're going to add your opt-in, and after that, you're going to go into emails. So you're going to go into emails and then start building a campaign. And the campaign would entail that whenever someone goes to your affiliate page, if they don't sign up or if they don't input, if they don't end up purchasing a product, you're going to send them reminder emails. So that is one feature that is super helpful whenever you're using system.io. So this is our squeeze page, and you can always duplicate this page. So you can, save copy and then start editing the original one. Now, I'm going to click on edit page, and we're going to wait for our template. So this is our template over here. This is what it currently looks like. If you scroll down, you're going to have more content, and it's a pretty big template. So I'm going to reduce a lot of this by removing these sections because these are not really necessary for our type of page. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go into blocks over here, and we have our basic blocks, so that's all right. We have our testimonials over here. We might not need those. So I'm going to go ahead, scroll down, and then I'm going to click on this section, and we have our entire section over here. So I'm going to close this up, and I'm going to select each section like so, and you can delete your items like this. So just by clicking on the entire section, we can delete, these pre-existing sections that might not be required by you like this. Now, after you have reduced the page size, you're going to change your text. So I'm going to paste my text over here, and I'm going to add the best anti-aging derma serum, and then we have our sign up page over here, or our sign up pop-up. So in this form, what I'm going to do is you're going to click on your form, and you have multiple different elements if you want more information other than just your basic intel. So if you hover your mouse over the form, you have a settings option, and then you have a duplicate and save option. Now after that, what I like to do is in the submit button, you can click on settings and you will have the submit form. If you want a show pop-up, if you want a next step URL or a open URL. Now I like to put an open URL, and from there I'm going to copy my affiliate link. So this is my affiliate link over here. This is my affiliate link. I'm going to copy this like this because whenever someone goes through this link, I'm going to get an affiliate commission. So I'm going to paste that over here, and I want to open it in a new window or in the same window like this. So whenever someone submits their first name and email address, they would be led to my affiliate page, which is this. So once I've completed this, I'm gonna save my changes as I go on the top right. Now after that, we have the overall style of our box. So what I'm gonna do is we are just going to take a look at some of the sizings on this. So I'm gonna keep this pretty extended. Now what I'm gonna do is actually I'm going to take this section and move it around here so it's a bit easier for us to view. And then on the right side, on the bottom, I can start adding some of my other content about my affiliate. So this is our affiliate page and this is our affiliate content. So I might want to take, these visuals and add them. So what I'm going to do is I am going to save the image. And then once I've saved my image, I can go into system.io, click on blocks or media, and I'm going to insert media over here. And we're going to insert the media down below like this. You can even add it in the form of columns as well, so you can segregate different sections. But I'm going to do this and I'm going to upload my image file. I'm going to click on select file over here, and we can upload our images like this. So we're just going to upload our image and click on insert over here. Now this is just one image. You're obviously going to add as much content as you require for your particular page. So if I scroll up over here, you guys can see we have two different pages and a spacer. I'm going to delete the row spacer on the top, and from the right side I might want to insert the image over there, so you can build a column over there to start inserting your images. So for that I would have to move the size of this to be a bit smaller like so. I would have to obviously resize certain elements, and we might want to add a testimonial section down below. If you have the content for that, you can add that as well. But for the main part, our basic page is done. I'm obviously going to remove the menu section because I'm only going to be building one page and I don't require a navigation panel for that. And then you can even click on settings on the top left. You can choose some global fonts and styles, and then after that you're going to click on save changes, and just like that you can use this particular page. So if we take a look at our page currently, anyone that is going to be subscribed to this page, so whatever is our first name and last name, like this, I click on submit over here, and this directly leads me to the actual affiliate page that I have, and then people can purchase off of my affiliate link. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.